It's good to be back in the lovely British weather. Just had to walk home in the rain. This video is a little bit different. It's a bit of a lifestyle-y type vlog of just what I got up to while I was on holiday. Bit of gym footage in there as well. If you like this sort of content, give it a watch. There'll be some back to normal content coming next week, which would be, you know, our questions repetitions. The 6 weeks out trailer is coming soon. Some more reviews and some more gym footage. Now that I'm back, we're going to start the Y3T series, and you're going to see me go from week 1 to week 6 and see my progression. So, hope you enjoy my Tenerife vlog, and I'll catch you soon. Bye. Mate, here we are. Alright, mate. Wow, nice bag.
Chanel?
So much space. Wow, Ricky Martyn.
It is in Spanish, so we'll have to look.
When you got protein farts, why does everyone look fucked? But they've got a hand sesh. Especially your boy here. And these two have dropped. Who's the new face of pre-fitness? There she is. And these bastards play the Pink Panther theme all day. All day. We've already moved once, so we went from an Airbnb that we thought we were going to have to another Airbnb that we got. And the problem with that was the roaches. So there was roaches at night on the floor, and there was a big roach that was like massive on the curtain rail that I had to fight last night. And it was scary as fuck, man. Like, I don't mind the small ones, but like this guy, like I sprayed him. I've never seen one fly, and he opened his wings, and I howled. I was like, "Ugh!" And like I got him. I closed him in between the curtain and the window, and I just like let him sit there for a bit. And he sat there all night. And then like when I opened it this morning, he just dropped down like, and he's dead, which is all right. But we decided to move, and now we're in a 4-star. 4-star hotel, which means we won't get roaches because there's aircon and it's clean and it's being cleaned by like professionals. So I'll show you around that. There's a gym on site, so I don't even have to go find a gym. I can go work out, get some footage done there, which I'm going to do. And we've got breakfast in bed, so we get breakfast every morning, so I'm going to fill up on Greek yogurt and sausages. But yeah, happy days, and I'll show you around the apartment now.
This is high effort, isn't it? And an exhausting afternoon from both sides. Atkins.
You remember the people that played the Pink Panther theme all day? Yeah, that's where we're staying. Wow. Bobisk.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Just totally drags the whole conversation down. Wasn't like I was trying to get.
So I picked up these at local supermarket. Supermarket. And like, yeah, macros aren't like too bad, to be honest. It's more of like a carb sauce and a bit of protein in there. And it tastes like foam bananas. That's alright. I'm gonna go for a swim and check out the gym now, so yeah, I need a bit of energy after all my chilling. Oi, oi, yes, lambs. Deadlift that. So there we have it, guys. Lasted a quick HIIT workout, went for a nice swim as I can, and that's it. Workout done. Going to enjoy the rest of my day, and it's always good to start the day right. So thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you when I'm back off holiday.